It has been a minute since we've done one of these, but I've got a Jeffree Star mystery box to unbox. I used to get these all the time, but then it kind of got to the point, there was all the drama, and then, like, I really have a lot of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I love the formula. You know, even with all the drama, I still love the makeup. The last thing I just purchased, because it was on sale, was this guy, because I've been really into, like, these like lavender, like purple colors lately. So I really wanted it, but I didn't want to pay the full price for it. And then it was half price. And so I was like, I'll go ahead and get it. This one, it was like $85. And I mean, look at how big the box is. 13 items with a $269 value. 5 are brand new items and 2 makeup. So I don't know if that means that there's some skincare in there, which that's what I would be excited about, is to get some skincare. So let's see what we got. There might be a mirror or something in here with the size of the box. Ooh, a little bucket hat. Oh, that's real cute. This is the Spring mystery box. Am I cute? Oh, I was right. There is a mirror. Ooh. There we go. Oh, there's a skin frost. There's a couple individuals. Oh, look, a little tiny mirror. Is it like a keychain? I guess it could be. There's a pen. Anybody need a pen? With some eye gloss. I never tried the eye gloss. This brand was one of them that really kind of got me going with my makeup and beauty content creation journey, because I've always been a little different and I like different colors, and the lipsticks and stuff that were just kind of like weird colors and not always the same stuff that everybody was wearing. It really just kind of like spoke to me. And so it was really exciting when I finally found the brand and started like experimenting with some of my makeup and stuff. So it still is really special to me. And, you know, one of my goals as a beauty makeup creator is to someday work with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And so if you're watching, I'm available. Thanks. Okay, so we got some Supreme glosses. Looks like a pink and a kind of reddish. We'll open those momentarily. And then the gloss. We've got a Velvet Trap. And then this is probably one of the new ones, Hydrating Glitz. Is that a lip? It says lip balm. Lip balm. Hydrating Glitz. Bunch of singles. Bunch of singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. These are just extras they probably had in the warehouse. They're like, throw those in there. Magic. Okay, this is a liquid blush. I've not tried any of his liquid blushes yet, so I'm excited about that. Peach Escape. That's a great color for like spring, summer. Skin Frost. Look like this is one of the new ones as well. New product. Cotton Candy Crime, or did that come with the cotton candy launch? Like I said, I haven't bought anything in a while. So did this come with this? People that do know, let me know. Stardacity. I don't know what that is. Okay. Pin, and there is a mirror. I told you. Oh my God, I love it. It's a cat mirror. I love it so much. It's hilarious. Hold on. Now, I'm not one of those crazy people with every single mirror that they've ever launched, but I do have a few. And this is so fun to add to my little collection, because I didn't get one of these. And it is so cute, and I love it. Because I am a cat lady. I used to be. All of my cats have passed now, but I did have like 3 geriatric cats there for a while. I'm loving this hat, by the way, and the color. So cute. Love it. There's a QR code on the little mirror thing, so I don't know what that's about. So I'll have to scan that and see what it does. Oh, but it's got like a little star dangly on there. So cute. The pen, I don't understand what's that doing? I don't understand. Does anybody know what this is for? Why is there a notch? And is this eraser? Is this this is a writing pen. I'm not crazy. It's like a smooth thing there. Is this like a nail buffer? I don't get it. Okay, the lips. Beautiful. These are the Supreme glosses. OMG. With this hot pink. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. That is really pink. About to take my son to soccer practice, so I don't know if I should rock this or not. I did get a clear gloss. I already have the clear gloss, so that's one repeat. That's one good thing about not buying any of the products for a while, is that there's not a lot of repeats here. The eye gloss is beautiful. That's a lovely shade. Really, you know, very universal. You can even get a good shot of it. There you go. Interested to try and see what that's about. That's beautiful. Is that supposed to be like a, just like a shimmer? I don't know. This liquid blush is huge. Like, I feel like that's gigantic. Oh my God. It's beautiful though. I don't have any colors like this, so that will join well with my collection. Let's open the Skin Frost. Cotton candy. Ooh! Goes with the lip. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Pink, pink, you stink. You don't stink. No, doesn't stink. Hey, that's pretty. That's like a hot pink with like a silverish blue almost. Kind of a silvery blue, I guess. It's really pretty. This one is Diet Mannequin. I don't know that I'll ever use that. I don't even use the regular mannequin. It's like too light for me. I might give that away. And here's the lip balm. Something glitz. Woo, look at that. That's fun. Oh, hold on to that right now. Oh, oh, oh. And finally, all the singles, which, do I have to open all these? I guess since they didn't include a palette, this is kind of taking place of that. So we've got like a black, it looks like, a white, kind of a mauvey pink. That one's pretty. This one's like a dark brown, kind of a dark brick red, and then a dark gold shimmer shade. So I think it was a pretty good box for me. Let me know what you got in your box if you got anything different. And make sure to follow for more fun makeup videos. My name's Amber Wood, over 40 Makeup Mom. Okay, bye.